2023 Ram 1500. With less than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You'll enjoy first-class features that create a premium environment, such as 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, leather-wrapped steering wheel, stability control. Take home the car of your dreams today.